Caloocan City Mayor Oca Malapitan is no longer letting allies turned enemies ruin his name on social media. Malapitan has sued fellow Caloocan politicos. He filed 3 counts of cyber libel cases against 5 Caloocan City councilors. Malapitan sued these councilors for claiming the digital tablets procured by the city government were substandard and the distribution process was delayed. According to Malapitan's lawyer, the councilors had every opportunity to ascertain the truth or falsity of their allegation. These politicos, however, chose to air their complaint on social media.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.